play a game.
Fuck you!
First, an offering of blood, no matter how little will give you a green light to escape from this room with your lives. If you can release yourself from your demons, you can begin to shed the chains that those demons bring with them. Make the simple blood sacrifice that I've requested, or face severe consequences.
Get out of these things when you pick an antidote.
Or else we all die, Carly.
No, what if it's the acid? I won't.
Come on! Big! Just let her go! Big! Come on! No, Carly, no! Leave
In the past, you have all put your own interests above others, and then lied to yourselves and deceived the world about your callousness, your larceny, your criminality.
What is that? It's Crane! Crane, man! We're gonna get buried alive!
Hello, Mitch. You've admitted to selling a boy a motorcycle. But you've not told the entire story, have you? $600 for a bike that you listed in excellent condition, even though you knew the brakes were faulty.
Look, I'm sorry! Stop, please! Look, I'm sorry about your nephew! Get out! Get the fuck up here!
He wants me to kill you.
No. No, don't touch that, you psycho bitch!
It's the only way.
No, okay? No, please don't, because that's what he wants us to do, okay? Think about it.
Someone is.
Oh, okay.
Have mercy. Like you just had mercy on me. When you started our game just now, pushing my button, saving yourself.
What?